property. I came through.
You know you smell like marijuana right now, right?
You can search me or do whatever you
Yeah.
need. You're approaching me as like if I'm doing something. I'm not a criminal. I'm here. I'm just taking. I'm taking video. And then
here's the deal. You smell like you've been smoking.
that has nothing to do with anything. This is.
You're in a public place.
Do you see me smoking?
You
Right.
have an odor of marijuana coming.
Do you see me smoking?
No.
Did you see me?
possibly could be intoxicated.
No, I'm not.
Right?
Just because I smell like anything. Did you see me do anything criminally? No, right?
No,
Okay,
it's
so
it's probably time for you to go.
I just barely got here.
See you later, buddy.
Yeah, no.
Not gonna ask you
I'm
again.
gonna walk out over there. I mean, what are you gonna do?
What am I gonna do?
What am I doing wrong? I'm not doing anything wrong,
You
right?
just walked out onto that field.
But I got permission from an officer.
You didn't get a permission for no.
Okay,
officer
let's go walk
onto
to the
field.
officer over here to the second one. The second post right here.
I guarantee
the lady.
you, partner.
The lady.
I guarantee
Okay.
you.
You know what?
Nobody gave you.
Would you know if there's a way that I can get down here? Like, just if there's a way that I could get down here, like on the side?
Oh,